Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make this really easy banana pudding. So let's get started. So first start by mashing up some bananas. It should look like this. And now you're going to blend your bananas. In a medium-sized pot, add in sugar, salt, cornstarch, cinnamon, nutmeg, and whisk everything together. All the exact measurements will be in my description. Now once everything is whisked together, add in your milk and whisk that with all your other ingredients. Doing this, make sure to whisk in your milk slowly. So add in a little bit of milk, whisk, add in a little bit of milk, whisk until all your milk is in the pot. Now you're going to add in your banana mixture. Mix this and continue mixing until your mixture has come to a boil and until your mixture is thick. It should look like this. When your mixture is boiling, you're going to take it off the heat and add it into a medium bowl. Now add in some vanilla extract. Mix it into your pudding and put your pudding in the refrigerator for about 3 hours. Now let's layer our pudding. Add some crushed vanilla wafers on the bottom and then add your banana pudding. Now on top of your pudding layer that you just put in, add some more vanilla wafers and then add some more pudding. Continue this pattern until all your pudding is gone. For this step, you can also layer your pudding with sliced banana slices, but since I don't like that, this is how I made mine. this recipe, and if you did, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.